All right, so I finished up this push button panel. I got an E-Stop wired into the SCYLLA board. This is a halt button and a continue button, but stop and start kind of matching anyways. So they come into this connector that I added to the back here. Take a look here. I just added this connector back here. There was a hole there already, and I happen to have a connector that fit in there. So I used that, and then with the default configuration that's out there for the SCYLLA board, this is the first one's E-Stop, and then this is stop and continue, I believe. I just kind of want to show what it actually does because it's handy. So I'm gonna power my system on here. Okay. So I'll connect up here to my grblHAL board. So I'm connected. My machine's in an unknown state right now, so I will click the home button. So it's homing, and just so you can see, I'm gonna click the E-Stop here in a second while it's homing. So here it goes, and bam. And that's gonna pop up an error here in grblHAL, and we can actually click here in G-Sender and see what it says. So it says E-Stop asserted, clear and reset. So the way grblHAL is set up versus grblHAL is you can't unlock this until we clear that E-Stop. So I cleared the E-Stop now, and now I can unlock the machine. So I'm gonna rehome the machine, continue that process. I'll let it go. So it does a two-step process. It hits it at a medium feed rate, and then it does a really slow one pulled off. So now that that's up and running, I am going to jog these axes first, actually. So I got some room. Maybe not. You have to jog it this way. Okay, so now that that's moved over a little bit, it's got a little bit of space to run. What I'm gonna do now is I'll actually start this program. So it's up and running, and I'm just gonna show if I clicked the stop button, and then I got this hold. It says click to unlock machine, but then I can just click start, and it's running again. So that's how these buttons work in grblHAL. Again, stop button, hold, and cycle start continue, which is pretty handy. And you can also hit the E-Stop in the middle, and everything, spindle's dead, everything's dying down. So that's how those buttons are set up in grblHAL, and that's how I wired it into my little OMIO controller here. And that's pretty much the end of what I want to do. The only other thing that I'm planning on doing at some point in time is wiring in the setter, the tool setter, but it's probably not that interesting because, like I said, I've already set up the tool probe here. That's set up as 3-wire. Yeah, so that's pretty much the hardware setup that I use to convert from the standard OMIO controller to the SCYLLA board. And the next set of videos I'm going to make are how I went ahead and set up this the software for the OMIO board, and I'll go through, show how I flashed it, what changes I made, how to compile it in